Hello dear students, welcome once again to our channel Maths in Minutes with Priya. Today we are going to solve pipe and tanks part 2 and this is clip number 62. In clip number 61, that is part 1 of pipe and tanks, I have covered few examples and we have already seen that this particular topic is based on time and work. Today we are going to solve little higher level examples from previous year papers about pipes and tanks. So let's begin. Pipes A, B, C can fill the tank from empty to full in 15 minutes, 10 minutes and 5 minutes respectively. So here slight change of language. Pipes fill tank from empty to full. But it has the same meaning. If I tell you pipe A fills the tank in 15 minutes, pipe B in 10 minutes, the same is the meaning of this line. They just keep on changing this language to confuse the students. So please don't get confused. Meaning is just the same. When the tank is empty, all three pipes are opened. They discharge solutions M and P respectively. What is the proportion of solution N in the mixture in the tank after 2 minutes? So instead of considering pipe A, B, C, now we are going to consider solutions M, N and P. These pipes are discharging these solutions. So after 2 minutes, what will be the proportion of N in this total mixture? That is the question. Procedure is going to be ditto same like we have already solved earlier in pipes and tank questions and many time and work questions also. So first what we will do, now instead of writing pipe A, B, C, I am going to write solution M and P. They are discharged with what speed? 15 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes. First take their LCM. This is the usual procedure that we follow in every example. LCM is 30. So let the capacity of tank be 30 units. Next step, what is the next step? Do you remember? Yes, right. Mere division. So in 1 minute, solution M, 30 divided by 15, it gets discharged 2 units. N, 30 divided by 10, that is 3 units. P, 30 divided by 5, that is 6 units. So in 1 minute, solution M, N and P are discharged 2 units, 3 units, 6 units respectively. The question is about proportion of N in total solution after 2 minutes. So in 1 minute, these many units are discharged. In 2 minutes, their double will be discharged. So M will be 4 units, N will be 6 units and P will be 12 units. So total how much mixture will be there in 2 minutes? 4 plus 6 plus 12, that is 22 units. And N is going to be 6 units. So what is the proportion of N? 6 upon 22, that is 3 upon 11. So your answer is 3 upon 11. Very easy question. Question is not difficult, just the language is changed and that's why I covered this question. What happens? If there is change in language, students think that oh, I have not solved this question in my practice, so I'm not going to solve it this in paper and they just leave the question. It shouldn't happen. It's very easy, just 2 steps of the solution and very easy. So please read the question carefully. You will understand that it is a very easy question. Only the words are changed but the meaning is just the same. Let's move to next question. There are 7 pipes attached to a tank, out of which some are inlets and some are outlets. What is meant by inlet and outlet? Inlet means from which water is coming into the tank and outlet means the pipe from which water is removed from the tank. You can say drainage or leakage. So, or you can also say outlet. So inlet and outlet. Every inlet can fill the tank in 20 hours. Every outlet can empty the tank in 30 hours. When all pipes are opened, the tank gets filled in 60 upon 11 hours find the number of inlets and outlets. This is little different example, but again it is very easy. We will see how we are going to solve it. Here these are few inlets and outlets, but all inlets have same speed and all outlets also have same speed. Generally what happens in all other examples, they give us pipe A, B, C. Pipe A can fill in 20 hours, B can fill in 15 hours. So their speeds are generally different. But here what is happening? All inlets have same speed and all outlets also have same speed. But we have to find out there are how many inlets and how many outlets. So I'm going to begin it in this way. Let the number of inlets be X and number of outlets be Y, and they have given us that total number of inlets and outlets is 7. That means X plus Y is equal to 7. This is going to be my equation number 1. Now what else other information is given? Speed of inlet and outlet is given 20 hour, 30 hour. So as usual I'm going to write it and take their LCM. LCM is 60. So I'm going to assume capacity of tank as 60 units. And next step is again, yes, division, you are right. So in 1 hour, 60 divided by 20 is 3 units. So in 1 hour, inlet will fill 3 units. Every inlet, it will fill 3 units, and every outlet will empty 60 divided by 30, that is 2 units. Are you getting it? Now there are X inlets. So every inlet fills 3 units. That means X inlets will fill how many units? 3X units. And there are Y outlets. Every outlet takes out 2 units in 1 hour. So in 1 hour, all outlets will take 2Y units out. So 3X unit in and 2Y units out. That means 3X minus 2Y. In 1 hour, all inlets and outlets when opened together, they will fill 3X minus 2Y. And when they fill the tank completely, when they are all opened for 60 upon 11 hours. So this much quantity in 1 hour multiplied by 60 upon 11, and that's how they fill the complete tank, that is 60 units. We have assumed capacity of tank as 60 units. So 3X minus 2Y is filled in 1 hour. In total 60 upon 11 hours, the tank gets filled, that is equal to 60. You understood this equation? Now how to solve this? 60 will get cancelled from both sides and take 11 here. So 3X minus 2Y is equal to 11. That becomes your equation number 2. So now we have two equations. X plus Y is equal to 7. 3X minus 2Y is equal to 11. Can we solve simultaneous equations? If you have forgotten how to solve simultaneous equation, please watch clip numbers 36 and 37 of my channel. I have covered even shortcut tricks to solve these examples, how to form them, how to solve them, everything I have covered in clip number 36 and 37. So you can watch them. Here what can I do? This is minus 2y, so I will multiply this by 2. I will get 2x plus 2y is equal to 14. 2x plus 2y is equal to 14. This is 3x minus 2y is equal to 11. So I am just going to add them. 2y will get cancelled. 5x is equal to 25. So x is equal to 5. And x plus y is 7. X is equal to 5. That means y is equal to 2. Total number of pipes are 7. So inlets will be 5. Outlets will be 2. Please watch clip number 36 and 37 to learn more about simultaneous equations, because you are going to need simultaneous equations in many chapters. So I have covered it already. Please watch it. That means your answer is inlets is, number of inlets is 5, number of outlets is 2. Very easy example. Here what was important? Understanding this step was important. Once you understand this, the question becomes very easy. Let's solve one more example. Tap A can fill the tank in 10 hours. Tab B in 15 hours. Tab C can empty the tank in 20 hours respectively. Starting with A followed by B and then by C, each tap operates alternately for 1 hour period till tank gets filled completely. In how many hours tank will fill completely? Now this is similar to those questions A, B, C working alternately. You remember? A starts working, then on next day B works, then again A works, then next day B works. They work alternately. In how many days work will get finished? Those type of questions. Same principle is used in pipes and tanks also. So here what is happening? A, B, C are not working together. On first day A will work, on second day B, third day C. Again on fourth day A, fifth day B, sixth day C. Like that they will go on working. And what is the question? In how many hours tank will fill completely? So procedure is again going to be ditto same. I'm going to write here A, B, C. They are filling and this one is emptying. First I'll take the LCM. LCM is 60. How to take LCM orally? Please watch clip numbers 9 and 10. Very important topics, HCF and LCM. I have covered 6 clips on that particular topic. Please watch them all. There are many word problems based on HCF, LCM and they are very important. And for shortcut tricks to find HCF, LCM, please watch clip numbers 9 and 10. So capacity of tank is 60 units. Next step is division. In 1 hour, A will fill 60 divided by 10, that is 6 units. B will fill 60 divided by 15, that is 4 units. They both are filling. But C is emptying 60 divided by 20, that is 3 units. It empties the tank. Now what happens? In 3 hour cycle, what happens? In first hour, A will fill 6. Second hour, B will fill 4. And in the third hour, C will take out 3. So 6 plus 4 minus 3. 7 units will get filled in 3 hours. So it's one cycle of 3 hours which fills the tank with 7 units. How many units we need to fill? We need to fill 60 units. So what I'll do? 60 I will divide by 7. 7 8s are 56. 4 will remain. So 8 cycles will operate for completing this 60 units. 7 units in 1 hour. So in 8 cycles, 7 units, not in 1 hour. 7 units are filled in 1 cycle. So then 8 cycles, 7 8s are 56 units will be filled in 8 cycles. 8 cycles is how many hours? 24 hours. So still 4 units are to be filled. There are 60 units in a tank. 56 units are already filled in 8 cycles, that is 24 hours, but still 4 units are to be filled. Now whose turn it is? Now it is again tap A. Tap A's turn is there. Tap A fills 6 units in 1 hour. Now it has to fill 4 units. 6 units in 1 hour. 4 units in how many hours? 4 into 1 divided by 6. That is 4 by 6. That means 2 by 3 hours. So 24 hours already over. Plus this 2 by 3. So 24 2 by 3 hours. That will be your answer. But sometimes answer is given in hours and minutes. So what we need to do? These 24 hours are there, but about this 2 upon 3 hours, we need to convert it into minutes. How do we convert? 2 upon 3 into 60. 3 ones are, and this is 20. 22s are 40. So 40 minutes. 2 by 3 hours means 40 minutes. So your answer will be 24 hours, 40 minutes. You need to see the given answers A, B, C, D if they are given in hours or they are given in hours, minutes. So for converting hour to minute, what you will do? Just multiply it by 60. So answer is 24 hours, 40 minutes. Clear? So here we come to an end of the chapter, time and work. Total 12 clips I have given you. 10 clips of time and work and 2 clips on pipe and tank. So total 12 clips you must study, and then your chapter will be fully prepared. I've covered extensive number of examples with very easy procedures, and I've tried to cover each and every type, and hence I needed this 12 clips. You might think कि मैम रुक ही नहीं रही है, टाइम एंड वर्क चालू है. But what happens, this time and work, many students find this particular chapter difficult. Whenever I ask them which chapter do you find difficult, the very first answer is time and work. So I have covered these 12 clips. I hope you watch all these clips and prepare this chapter fully and score good in your exams. From next clip, I'll start little speed math. Few clips of speed maths I have already covered if you have watched taking square root and cube root. In next few clips, I'm going to cover speed maths for multiplication, multiplying by 11, multiplying by 12, also 2-digit multiplication. Some few tricks are there that I'm going to cover. So please keep watching. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, Maths in Minutes with Priya, please do so. It's absolutely free. You can suggest to your friends, share the videos so that you can help your friends too. So see you in the next clip. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed. Bye for today.